morning, it's Mark Liebovit, and it's Monday, January 25th. This is Liebovit VR tutorial here on Esignal. More on Esignal and a Liebovit volume reversal in just a moment. We're going to jump into the charts. We're looking at USO, United States Oil. A Liebovit volume reversal was posted on Thursday. We had a rising 533 stochastic, actually for about 8 days prior to that event, so we knew something was coming. And vrtrader.com, which is the flagship newsletter that I put out for traders, we did put a buyout on Thursday. We took a nice profit on Friday. Why? Well, it was the weekend. Secondly, there was a gap opening, and if we see a pullback back to 869, the high from Thursday, that might afford another little trading opportunity here. If it continues to run, then we may not take any further trades, but we did catch a nice trade in it on the VR, and that's really what I'm trying to point out to you. There really had not been a VR for many, many weeks in USO. There was a VR here, but it was not confirmed. As you can see, there was a declining 533 stochastic. I like to see a rising one. So I guess if this continues to run, crude oil could perhaps run into the high 30s. Maybe we could test the 50-day moving average in USO, which is just over the $11 area. We'll see, but very powerful signal. And this is what we wait for, and this is what the Liebovit volume reversal is all about. Meanwhile, jumping back to Esignal, the Liebovit volume reversal is available on Esignal, $99 a month. There was a 1-month free trial available, and there are 3 versions of the VR as part of the package. You're looking at the sequential on these videos, which posts all positive and negative VRs. The directional filters out repetitive VRs, and the 2-day is based on the premise that following a negative or positive VR, you tend to get movement in the direction of the VR for a couple of trading days. So I encourage you to sign up if you haven't done so already. If you're interested in my newsletter, we have a bunch of them at vrtrader.com. We have our silver, our daily market commentary, our platinum, which is where we recommended the USO on Thursday. That provides commentary and specific recommendations. Our gold letter covers all natural resources, not just gold. Our VR forecaster is our annual cyclical report. Our vice letter covers cannabis stocks, tobacco stocks, gaming stocks, alcohol stocks, and a bunch of other vice and sin names. Our book, The Trader's Book of Volume, is a definitive guide to volume trading, so I certainly encourage you to check that one out. And also, I do host a weekly radio show called Wall Street Raw on the Genesis Communication Network. That's gcnlive.com, gcnlive.com. If you miss a show, the shows are archived at GCN. We are in the process of signing up for some affiliate stations around the country, so as time goes on, hopefully we'll get more terrestrial radio stations picking us up, but it is available on the internet at gcnlive.com. Again, thank you for tuning in this Monday morning, and we'll be back to you hopefully in a few days with another update on another VR signal.